Hi everybody, my name is Levi Sauerbrei. Thank you so much for checking out the Nerd Butler YouTube channel. In case you're not familiar with us or you're wondering what it is we do, well, we try and help you do more with the technology you've got in your life. We all have a ton of stuff, some of which I have splayed out here. We have an e-reader, tablets, don't forget your cell phone when you leave the house, your laptop. I need my keys, but even my car has smart features now. My watch is a computing device. I've got thumb drives and remote controls, accessories of all shapes and sizes. And somewhere in your house, you probably have a box that looks kind of like this. So at Nerd Butler, what we want to do is help you understand the technology you have, do more with it, understand what technology you might want to buy or what you really need, and take something that looks like this in your technology life and turn it into something a little more organized and meaningful, helping you get more out of the technology you have and helping you spend your technology dollars in a smart way. We're going to be talking about Internet of Things, smart homes, home automation, security system, cameras, webcams, personal assistants, all kinds of things. If you have questions, please send us a note at nerdbutler.com. We'd be happy to answer your question and do a video for you. And we hope you check out the videos below, and we look forward to seeing you again. Hey Google, watch ESPN in the living room.
All right, play ESPN from YouTube.